How are you guys? I'm Tesfai. My channel name is Ambo Media Official. On this channel, I will provide awareness, experience sharing, and information related to technology and people's life. This channel will present jokes, various artists, perhaps songs and drama. In addition to this channel works on general knowledge, useful new application, and online digital marketing. And also video editing, photo editing software for video and photo editing such as Vegas Pro 1270, Adobe Photoshop, CS5, and Wonder Sharing video editing. Have tools for this work: Sony 4K PXW, Z190 camera, and Sony EZ5 camera. Computer, screen recorder, OBS studio, and webcam. And also have desktop computer, headphone. Accordingly, I can request that YouTube team to understand this and remove reuse content from my channel Ambo Media Official and monetize me. Thank you so much for your remember me.